Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today again we are here for learning science. In science we learn about different kind of things, different kind of animals and many other things. So let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubasir Ramesh from Mahdi School, and today we learn about lesson number 7, knowing your body, and today's topic is activity. So from previous lectures we learn about our body. We start our unit number 4. It is about our body. So in this lesson we learn about different parts of our body, right? So let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line, that if you can read, you can learn anything. It means if you can read your lessons, your notes, you can learn anything. So most important thing is you can read, then you can learn anything. So with this beautiful line, let's start our today's topic. So first let's revise lesson number 7. What is name of this lesson? The name of this lesson is about our body. So I hope you all remember what is name of our lesson number 7. This lesson is about different part of our body and how we are using these body parts in different way. So what is name of this lesson? The name of this lesson is knowing your body. In this lesson we learn about how different parts join together and making one body, right? So we learn about hands, legs and different other parts of our body. We also learn that how we use these different parts in different way, right? So what we learn today? Today we learn activity of lesson number 7. It means today we revise this lesson with activity, right? So first what we do when we start our lecture, first what we do? Before start topic we revise this lesson, right? So first let's revise what we learn in lesson number 7. Okay, so first think in your mind that what we learn in this lesson. We learn about different parts of our body, right? So first, in previous lecture we revised the different part of our body. So let's join this part and making one structure. So first is hair or head. Here you can see hair and head. Then eyes. Then nose and mouth. So as we learn in this lesson that some body parts we have in pair, like hands, legs, eyes, ears. These all are two body parts we have. So we call them right body part and left body part. Like we have right eyes and left eyes, right? So then next body part is stomach, legs, hands and left hand, then ears. So we have these different parts, and when we join these different parts we make one body structure, right? So let's write the name of this body parts. Here you can see hands. So we have two hands, two legs, two eyes, two ears, tongue, stomach and hair. So now you can understand that when these all parts join together they are making one structure, and we called this structure body part, right? So here you can see one body and you can see the different part of our body: head, eye, ear, hand, arm, leg, eyebrow, nose, mouth, lip and tongue and foot. These all are our body parts, right? So here you can see that head, eye, ear, then hand, then you can see arm, leg, foot, tongue. These all body parts we learn in previous lectures. As we learn in this lesson that hand help us in eating, writing and many other things, when legs help us in walking, running and playing, when we eat with our mouth, we breathe with our nose, right? So we use our lip to speaking. So like all body parts are different from each other, so they are helping us in different way, right? So here you can see that body parts like head, eye, ear, hand, arm, eyebrow, nose, mouth, lip, tongue and foot, right? So these all are our body parts. Then we learn about nose, eyes, ears, tongue and skin. Now these body parts are help us to feel the world around us, right? So now you tell me that what we called them, part of the body which help us to feel the world around us, and we called them sense organs, right? In previous lectures we learn about sense organs, and how many sense organs we have? Nose, eyes, ears, tongue and skin, and they are help us in different way. So let's revise sense organs. So here you can see these all are our senses. We have 5 senses. Here it means we hear with help of our ear, then we smell with our nose, then vision means sight, we see things with help of our eyes. Just imagine, if you don't have eyes, then you cannot see what is on your mobile screen. Why? Because you don't have eyes, so you cannot see, you cannot feel the world around us, that what is on your screen. Then touch is sense organ which skin, right? So skin help us to feel the touch, like ice is very hot. Ice is very hot, yes or no? No, ice is very cold. When tea is very hot, fire is very hot, candle we cannot touch. Why? Because it is very hot. So how we know that candle is very hot, burning candle? Because we can touch candle and we can feel that it is very hot, right? Then taste, with help of tongue we can taste the different flavor, like chili is very spicy, when chocolates are very sweet, right? So these all are senses, which are the hear, smell, vision, touch and taste, right? So now you give me the answer that which part of the body help us to feel the world around us. Here you can see the picture of nose. So nose help us to feel the smell. You can see here nose, and in hand of nose you can see flower. So it means we can smell different kind of things, like onion is very sharp smell, when rose have very beautiful smell, right? So nose help us to feel the smell of things. Then eyes help us to identify different kind of colors, like rainbow has 7 color, and when we see cartoons on TV, the different color of cartoons we can see, we can identify the things from so far because of eyes. Then touch, we feel the touch, that teddy bear is very soft. Then taste, we feel that cold drinks are very sweet, and here we can hear the voice of different kind of things like trains and bell mobile phones and many other things. So these all are our sense organs. So what we learn today? Today we learn activity. So when we revise this lesson, we revise about sense organs. So our today's activity is about sense organs, right? So let's see what we have to do in this activity. We have one picture, the picture of one sense organ, right? So we have to wrong the thing in which we cannot use these sense organs, right? So let's see first sense organ. So what you see on your screen? Now you can tell me that which sense organ it is. It is part of our body, right? So which is this? It is eyes. So now you touch your eyes. How many eyes you have? 1 and 2. We have right eye and left eye, right? So let's write the spelling of eyes. EYES, right? So now we have 3 pictures. From these 3 pictures we have to write wrong thing, that for these things we are not using our eyes. So let's see first the picture. First picture, what is this? It is rainbow, right? So you can see the colors of rainbow, right? Which color there? Red, yellow, green, blue and many other colors, right? So now how you identify this color? With help of our eyes. Understand or not understand? Right or wrong? Yes. So it means we use our eyes to identify colors of rainbow. So we can see rainbow with help of our eyes, right? Now let's see which is second picture. What is this? It is speaker. Right or wrong? Yes. Now when you listen voice from speaker, which body part you are using? When you listen anything from TV, when you listen anything from mobile phones, so which body part you are using? Is that eyes? Yes or no? No, right? So we are not using our eyes to listen things, right? Then next, what is this? It is clock. Now when someone is asking you that what time is now, then what did you do? Yes, you are watch the clock, right? So which body part you are using when you see clock? It is our eyes. So which picture from these 3 is wrong here? Which is odd one here? Is that rainbow? When we see rainbow, we use our eyes. When we see clock, we use our eyes. So when we listen anything, we are not using our eyes. So it is sense of sight. So we are not using our eyes in sense of hear. So which is wrong here? It is speaker. It means we don't use our eyes to listen from speaker. Now you can understand that sense of sight is the see things, right? So we use our eyes to see things. So our first sense organ is eyes, and we cannot listen anything with our eyes, right? So 2 things are right here. One is rainbow and second is clock, right? Now let's see which is next one. Now which body part it is? Yes, it is our ear. Now how many ear we have? Count your ear. 1 and 2. And how ear help us? Yes, ear help us to hear things, right? Yes or no? Yes, right? So now what we have to do here, we have 3 pictures again, and from these 3 pictures we have to take out odd one. So it means we have to take out this one picture in which we are not using our ear. So first picture is telephone. So when we use telephone, which body part we are using? We are using our eyes. First tell me that telephone we use to speak with people, right? So when people are speaking from telephone, which body part we are using? It is our ear. It means you can see here that we are using our ear to hear things in telephone. Then next is speaker, right? So when we listen songs, when we listen anything from speaker, which body part we are using? We are using our ear, right? So it is also right. And next, rose. So we all know that smell of rose is very sweet. Now how we know that smell of rose is very beautiful, very nice, right? So we are using our ear when we smell rose, yes or no? No. Right? What we are using to smell things? We are using our nose. So it means which picture is odd one? It is our nose which we use to smell things. It means rose is wrong. Why? Because when we smell rose, we are not using our ear. Right? Now let's see which is next sense organ. And what is this? Which body part it is? It is our tongue, right? So when we learn about tongue, we learn that tongue is one of our sense organ. So when we speak, we are using our tongue, right? So when we eat food, how we know that this food is spicy, this food is sweet, this food is not good? How we know? Yes, with help of our tongue. When we eat chili, then what happen? Immediately we drink water. Why? Because chili is very spicy. So how we know that chili is very spicy? Because of our tongue, right? So tongue help us to feel taste. Now first picture, let's see here. What is this? It is television or TV, right? So when we watch television, we use our tongue to see cartoons. Just check your tongue. Close your eyes and check your tongue. You can see cartoon? Yes or no? No. So tongue help us to feel the taste, right? So it means if you want to watch television, you need eyes. Now let's see which is next. It is chili. The color of chili we can identify with help of eyes, that yellow chili, red chili and green chili, right? But we can taste with eyes this chili, that chili is spicy. Yes or no? No. So which body part we are using when we taste the chili? It is our tongue. Now next is ice cream. So ice cream is very sweet. How we know that? we use our eyes that ice cream is very sweet? No. We use our ears. Ice cream speak that I am very sweet? Yes or no? No. So how we know? When we taste it. So now you tell me that which is odd one here? Ice cream is odd one. When we taste ice cream, we use our tongue. When we taste chili, we use our tongue. So when we watch TV, what we are using? We are using our eyes. It means TV is wrong. So now you can understand that tongue is help us to feel the taste, not see things. Then next is which body part it is? It is our nose, right? So here you can see the spelling of nose. Now how many nose we have? Count your nose. 1. So we have only one nose, right? Now let's see that which pictures we have. But before that, what we are doing? That how nose help us? Nose help us to smell different kind of things, like rose, like onion, like garlic, right? So how we know that smell of rose is very nice? Because of nose, right? So let's see the pictures. First picture, you can see here the bottle of scent. So when we use spray, why we are using spray? For smelling, right? So when we use spray, you can smell the spray. So which body part you are using? It is our nose, right? So some scent have strong smell, when some scent have mild smell. So how we know? Because of our nose, right? So it is sense of smell, and nose help us to feel the sense of smell. Then next, rainbow. Now when you see rainbow, which body part you are using to see rainbow? It is ear? It is nose? No, we are using our eyes, right? So when we see rainbow, we are not using our nose, right? Then let's see next one. It is picture of smoke. When you are going on highway, you can smell different kind of smoke, right? So we know that after some kilometers there is a factory, right? So it means we can smell smoke with help of our nose. So which is odd one here? We have to wrong mark put there. Yes, it is rainbow, right? So nose help us to feel the sense of smell. Now you can understand that different body parts help us to feel the world around. Now which body part it is? It is body part hand, right? So when we see hand, you can see the layer on hand. We called it skin. Skin is one of our sense organ which help us to feel the touch. So let's see which pictures we have. We have here teddy bear, right? So how we know that teddy bear is very soft? With help of our skin. Then second picture is picture of ice. So how you know that ice is very cold? When you touch it, right? Then next is tea. So how you know that the cup of tea is very hot? Because you touch it. It means these three pictures you can see here is of sense of touch, right? So how you feel the sense of touch? With help of your skin. It means There is no odd picture here. Now let's see which is next one. Now quickly tell me that which body part it is. It is our ear, right? So now you tell me that what is use of ear? We already revised it, right? So ear help us to listen things, hear things. So let's see which picture we have. First is train. When in morning we know that train is coming. So how we know that train is coming? Because of siren of train. So how we know that the siren of train is very loud? Because of our ear. Then next is cake. When you eat cake, you are using your ear. That cake is very tasty. Yes or no? No. Then next picture is picture of spray, scent. So when you smell scent, you are using your ear? No. So which is odd one here? Let's see here. Cupcake and scent. So when you want to hear the voice of train, you need your ear. It means two pictures are odd here, right? Now let's see next one. It is our eyes. Now eyes help us to see things, right? So let's see which picture we have here. We have here picture of TV. When you read, which body part you are using? Yes, it is your eyes. Then pizza. When you taste pizza, that pizza is very delicious. You are using your eyes? Yes or no? No. You are using your tongue when you taste pizza. It means two pictures are right and one is odd one. And which is odd one? It is pizza. It means when you want to see TV, when you want to read things, you are using your eyes, right? Then next, sense of touch, body part is skin, sense organ. Now, if you want to see time, you are using your skin, yes or no? No, you are using your eyes. Then candle is very hot. How you know? Because of your skin. And train is coming. How you know? Because of your ears. It means here two pictures are odd. Which are they? Let's see. Train and watch. So it means two pictures are odd. So what we learned today? Today we revised lesson number 7 with help of one activity in which we are learn that how we are using our different organs in different way. So I hope you all enjoy this lecture and I hope you all understand what we learned today. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.